It'll take about an hour to get from Manhattan to JFK on the AirTrain. First, take the Long Island Railroad from either Penn Station or Grand Central in Manhattan to Jamaica Station in Queens. Arriving in Jamaica, you'll see big yellow signs directing you to the JFK AirTrain. You cannot miss these signs, they are everywhere. The cost of the AirTrain is $8.50, and you'll pay before you board. The payment system has been upgraded. You no longer have to stand at the kiosks to buy a MetroCard to use the AirTrain. The AirTrain went contactless, meaning you can just swipe your credit card and walk through. If you do need assistance, they have staff. Look for a worker in a red jacket to help you out. Once on the platform, the boards will show you how long it'll be until your next train to JFK's terminals.
50 cents a piece, we'll still have 6 more trips remaining for 30 days.
And about 10 minutes later, you'll be stepping off the train and ready to check in for your flight at JFK.